In this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate MrBeast-style thumbnails with Pikzels AI. Let's get started. Begin by signing in to your Pikzels AI account and opening the main dashboard. From here, click on New Chat and choose the Recreate option. Next, head over to YouTube, copy the link of any MrBeast thumbnail you want to copy. Then paste that link into Pikzels or simply upload the thumbnail image manually. After that, click Generate, and Pikzels AI will create a very similar version in the same style. If the first result does not look good enough, just hit Redo for another variation. After generating the base thumbnail, you can improve it further using the Edit feature. Use the Brush or Rectangle selection tool, highlight the area you want changed, type your edit instruction, and press Generate. You can add props, effects, background changes, or stronger details. If you want your own face on the thumbnail, use Face Swap. Just select the face, choose your save persona, and generate it. You can also create a custom style from several thumbnails for more consistent results. Once everything looks good, download the finished thumbnail. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link goat.pikzels.com/dine in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.